Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this look for you guys and I'll be doing a quick tutorial. And many of you wanted to know how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm taking here is my Smashbox Photo Finish Water Primer and spraying it all over my face and letting it set for a few seconds. And then I'm taking my MAC Strobe Cream along with my Clinique Face Cream, mixing it together on my hands, and I'll spread it all over my face as you all can see that I'm doing. I'll do it till my skin feels so supple and soft and hydrated. I'll keep on doing that to get that glowy effect on my face. So now again I'm taking my Smashbox Water Primer spray and spraying it on my face all over. So now I'm taking my Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation in the shade Chai, taking it on the back of my hand and mixing it with my Forever 52 foundation in shade 01. Mixing it again with my strobe cream to get that glow on my face here. So after mixing it, I'll spread it on my face with the help of my finger, and I'll take my flat top brush now to push it into my skin to make it a flawless base. After blending it with my brush, now I'll take my beauty blender and blend it with my beauty blender in the dabbing motion. I'm spraying my Smashbox Water Primer again on my blender, and again I'm blending it with the help of my beauty blender. So now again I'm taking my flat top brush to blend it well, blend my foundation completely, and I don't want any type of harsh lines and my foundation to look cakey at all, so I'll blend it all over with the help of my brush. So now I'm taking my NYX Color Correct Contour Palette and I'm taking the peach shade from that and I'll put it under my eyes. Same with the other eye. I have a little pigmentation around my eyes and around my lips, so I put the product over there only. And now I'll take my beauty blender to blend it. So now I'll take my two concealers from Tarte Creaseless Concealers in the shade Light Sand and Light Medium here. I'll use my light medium shade first over my peach corrector and blend it with the mini beauty blender here. You can use any of the blender that you have or you wanna use. I use the original beauty blender and the mini beauty blender, both together. So now I'm taking my other shade from the Tarte again, the Light Sand shade, under my eyes and over my eyelids, and blend it out with my beauty blender again. For the flawless base, you just need to do it in the dabbing motion with the beauty blender. Take your time to do the blending. Dab, dab, dab. And just dab it to give it a flawless look. So now again I'll take the same shade, Light Sand shade, and I'll use it on my highlighting areas that I want to highlight. On my forehead, on my upper lips, and blend it with my beauty blender now. So now after blending it, I'll use my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC20 with the help of my large powder brush, and I'll set my base with this powder all over my face and all over my neck, around my ears as well. So now after that, I'm taking my banana powder with the help of my mini beauty blender and pushing the product into my skin under my eyes. Same with the other eye as well. So now it's time for the favorite part of the makeup, that is my eyebrows. I'm taking a spoolie brush to brush it. So now I'm taking my Forever 52 eyeshadow palette and I'm taking the brown color, mixing it along with the black color here. And I will first start my brows with the center of my eyebrows to the end of my eyebrows, so that I can see the length of my eyebrows during the eye makeup. I would suggest you guys to take some time when you do your eyebrows, because that is the most important part of your makeup. And we all love the sharp and dark eyebrows. And trust me, I take a lot of time to do my eyebrows because I really want that sharpness in my eyebrows. And I'm really sorry that I can't do my eyebrows live on the camera, so I'm doing it with the help of the mirror. So just wait and watch. So now again I'm taking my concealer and using it over my eyelids just to give it a sharp look to my eyebrows. Now I'm taking my concealer brush to blend it out completely. So now I'm taking my beauty blender to blend it again. And now I will take my large eyeshadow blending brush and I'll be using a very light shade from my Huda palette. A very light ivory kind of a shade, just to set my cream concealer that I've used over my eyelid. So now again I'm taking my Forever 52 eyeshadow palette and I am using a shade in between peach and something like orange, and just a little above from my crease line, and I will blend it with a large eyeshadow blending brush. So now I'll keep blending it. After blending it, now I'm taking my Forever 52 palette again and using the soft brown shade from that and blending it on the outer corners in V shape, as you all can see. Blend it completely. And now I'm taking my other small blending brush. It's kind of a smudging brush basically that I'm using onto my crease line and taking that brown shade over my crease line. Now I'll be doing the same with my other eye. Now I'm taking the same color again to make it look more intense. And I'll blend it with my small tapered brush. Now I'm taking my large blending brush and I'll blend it all together. As you all can see that I'm blending everything in a circular motion. Keep on blending. So now again I'm taking a palette from my favorite brand Forever 52, the Magnificent palette. And I am using the rose gold and the pink shade from this palette, and I'll take the product on my brush directly, and now I will dab it on the center of my eyelids. So now I'm doing the same with my other eye, and I will use my ring finger now to make it look more intense, and I want my pigments to pop out really well on my eyelids. So I am doing it with my ring finger here. So now I'm taking my Moondust palette from Urban Decay and I am using orange kind of a glitter shade from that. Now I'll take this color on my small eyeshadow brush and I'll put this product on the center of my eyelids just to make it look more intense and to pop out really well. Now I'm taking my small tapered blending brush again and I'll use the same brown color that I've used earlier and I'll use this color on my lower lash line and I will mix it with the outer corners. Now it's time for the baking, so I am taking my banana powder and baking my face. I'll put the product over there where I've used my cream concealer to highlight. So I am putting the product only on the highlighting areas. So now I'm taking my eyeliner, which is again from Forever 52. You can see how obsessed I am with this brand. And they have really good products. So now after the eyeliner, I'm using my Huda eyelashes in Lana and I'll do it off camera. So now I'm done with my eyelashes and now I'll use my Inglot gel liner on my waterline. I cannot do it on camera, so I am doing it with the help of my mirror again. So now after that I am taking my angular brush and I'll brush out the powder that I've used for baking. So now after that I am taking my Cheek Parade palette from Benefit Cosmetics and I'm using Hoola and Hoola Light Shade to contour my face. I'm using the product on my cheekbones. And I'll use little bit of product on my forehead and mixing it with my hairline. Now I'm taking the small angular brush to contour my nose and around the lips. And now I'm taking my simple hydrating face moisturizer and I'll use a little amount of it on my lips just to hydrate it. Now I'm taking my Kiko Milano lip liner to line my lips and to fill it with it. You can use any of the lip liner that you have or you want to use. So now I'm taking a lip shade from Smashbox Cosmetics and I'm taking the shade Stylist. I just love this color. It is some pink kind of a shade, but I love this color so much. This is always and always in my bag. So now after that it's time for the blush and I'm again using the Forever 52 in the shade 03. This is something in peach tones. So now it's time for the most important and the favorite part of my makeup, that is highlighter, and it is again from Forever 52. It is so pigmented. I just love this highlighter and I'm really so obsessed with the Forever 52 products. Can you see the difference? Now I'm taking my pencil brush and take the product on it, and I'll put the product on my inner corners of my eyes, and I'll put some of the product on my brow bone just to highlight my eyebrows. And I am done. I hope you guys will like the look that I've created for you guys. Do let me know in the comments below, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, and also do share it with your friends and family. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can get the notifications from my channel whenever I upload a new video on it. Take care. Bye bye.